But is there any particular advice that you would give to someone maybe that's thinking of starting using Pictory today, as someone that's been working in education and L&D for some time? Is there like maybe one tool or one thing they should do right away, apart from that maybe PowerPoint to video?
First off, I think my first piece of advice is just procure the tool, right? I mean, it works within very diverse educational environments, and it will suit whatever your needs are as long as you're managing it effectively. The other thing is just to experiment. We spent a lot of time playing around with the different types of formats or templates that we really wanted to, and those were obviously informed by our educational goals. But we did a lot of A/B testing just internally to sort of figure out like, okay, what sort of reactions are we getting from people when we create the training in this way versus this way as well. I think really doing that experimentation process and learning from your learners is super crucial. I think this PowerPoint feature is super cool. We've been experimenting with the new feature that is a Chrome extension that allows you to kind of look at web pages. There's a lot of features in Pictory, right? There's a lot of different ways you can build education. So I think experimentation is key. You just have to get in the sandbox. You have to be willing to stay up to date with the solution because you guys have a lot of updates coming.